Bella and Miss Maricel. It's very evident po na naging super close po kayo sa paggawa ng pelikulang ito. No? What are the things that you admire towards each other as an actress and as an individual person po?
O ako, ang nagustuhan ko kay Bella, raw. Hindi, yun yung gusto ko talagang kasama sana, palagi na makasama. Yung ganitong klaseng artista na hindi inaral eh. Yung mo, directive na sinasabi ko, parang sincere na sincere yung raw. Kumbaga, ngayon lang natin lalaman. Parang gano'n. Pareho tayo. Kung kailangan niyang magulat, magugulat siya. Kung kailangan niyang maiyak, maiiyak siya. Kung ano yung dating sa kanya ba, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Tao-tao. Thank you.
Ako as an actor, si Inay, meron siyang on-off button. Pwedeng tumatawa kami ngayon, pero biglang sisigaw si Direk Marla na, okay, action! Biglang pagtingin mo, umiiyak siya. Saan ang galing? Wala pang dialogue, umiiyak siya. Ang bilis. Oo. Actually, Inay, minsan kasi, yun, kwento kami ng kwento sa set, di namin naririnig na nagsasabi na sila ng sound, lights, action, chika kami ng chika. So, ending, nagugulat ako, action na, pero ready na si Inay. Walang katakot-takot. Parang ready siya sumabak sa kahit anong eksena. And also, I think baka this comes with experience. Yun nga, she's so willing to give scenes. Yung kaya niyang ibigay itong eksenang to, yung, sige, itong eksenang to sa'yo to. Parang, I'll let you shine. Parang, she'll support in a way na ikaw yung magmumukhang mas aangat sa eksenang to, which for me is so refreshing kasi nga, not a lot of people will help you shine. I mean, I've been doing it for so many people for so long, but you don't get it back. So, for me to get it back in this film, nagulat ako na, ganun pala yung pakiramdam pag supportado ka sa eksena. I mean, no, sorry, don't get me wrong. I've worked with like JC Santos also, you know, he's so helpful in all my scenes, but for a woman, like an actress to support another actress, I feel that's so rare kasi kahit sabihin natin na we're from different generations, more often than not, most people, especially in showbiz, they see each other, everybody sees each other as competition, or you know, everybody sees each other as, at the end of the day, yun nga, ang competition, I guess. Pero si Inay, wala siyang ganun. She really gives you the scene if you deserve the scene. So, I love that. Yeah, so giving. As a person, sobrang bango niya. Yeah. Ang dami niyang pabango, ang dami niyang baby cologne, ang dami niyang powder, lahat. Lahat ng any toiletry that you can think of, meron siya sa tent niya. So, I love it. At lampin, oo. First day, may palampin kami kagad, binigyan kami kasi mainit. So, she's very caring, very motherly talaga. At ang brand ng lampin, Mother Care. Yeah. So yun, very generous din siya in that sense. She wants everybody taken care of. So yun.
Okay. For my next question, in line with the title of the film, Life After You, personally, what's the definition of that title, Life After You?
Ay, nasa akin na yung mic. Umpisahan ka na. Ako yun, how do you pick up the pieces? Where does life begin after grief? Yan.
Parang sa akin, and then, parang ganun lang, tapos na di ba? Life after you, so, and then, welcome naman natin yung future natin, yung pupuntahan natin. Parang ganun lang.
Thank you and good luck to your movie.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Bernard Santos of My Movie World.